Alright, this is a 2015 Chevy Corvette. We're gonna go ahead and install a Borla X pipe assembly right there. I'll show you what it looks like underneath here in a second. Alright, this is what it looks like now. You got your mufflers, pipe. We're gonna have to take this thing all off. And it looks like it connects right here. And probably these joints right here. Maybe, we'll see when we take it apart. We'll have this apart in a couple minutes. Show you what it looks like. Alright, so we took that plate off. And it's gonna connect right there. But you have to cut the pipe over here. So we're gonna have to cut it about right there. And then slipping this together will probably be a little bit of work. But we'll get this all put together and show you what it looks like here. Okay, we cut the pipe over there, slipped it together. Went in pretty good. Actually unbolted it in front of the catch to make it happen. There's the old unit. I'm gonna put that cover back on and show you the finished product. All right, got it all back together. Everything went well. Gonna go ahead and start it up now. All right, that Borla X pipe's installed. There you go, job complete.